Good afternoon, everyone. I am Naisha Sachdeva. Today we will learn about global warming. In this presentation, we will learn about what is global warming, what is greenhouse effect, causes of global warming, effects of global warming, and steps to prevent global warming. What is global warming? Global warming or climate change, as the name suggests, it is the change in temperature of the Earth's surface that has been observed in recent years. It is basically gradual heating of Earth's surface, oceans and atmosphere. Scientists have observed in last few years that the climate of Earth is increasing day by day due to global warming. In these two pictures, you can see that Earth is heating, its temperature is increasing. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when gases in Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat. This process makes Earth much warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. Most of the temperature is increased by the falling gases like water vapor, ozone, carbon dioxide, methane. These gases are called greenhouse gases. Causes of global warming. What causes the global warming? Global warming is caused by several things which include natural and man-made things. First, greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases and other air pollutants collect in atmosphere and absorb solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation would escape into the space, but these gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane and pollutants trap the heat and cause the planet to get more hotter. Second, burning fossil fuels. When we burn these fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, diesel, LPG to create electricity or to power our cars, we release CO2 gas into the atmosphere. Agriculture and farming. Animals like sheep and cattle produce methane, a greenhouse gas which is harmful for the earth. It increases the earth's temperature. One example of natural cause is release of methane gas from Arctic tundra and wetlands. The methane gas, which is a greenhouse gas, is released from Arctic tundra and wetlands. Effects of global warming. Increase in average temperatures and temperature extremes. Due to global warming, average temperature of Earth is increasing day by day. Extreme weather events. Melting of ice. In polar regions, ice is melting due to the increased temperature of the earth. Sea levels are rising day by day. As ice is melting, so sea levels are also rising day by day. Plants and animals. Many plants and animals have started moving their range northward or to the higher altitude as a result of this global warming. Steps to prevent global warming. First, use fluorescent light bulbs. These fluorescent bulbs consume only 25% of energy compared to the incandescent bulbs. Second, switch off electric appliances. When you are not using electric appliances, you should plug them off so that electricity can be saved and global warming can also be prevented. 3. Don't leave fridge door open for a long time. If you keep If you open your fridge door for a long time, then its motor will remain operative for less time. Uses of solar energy should be maximized. You should convert your heating system to the solar energy. In this way, you can save electricity, money, and your environment from global warming also. You should plant trees at home. We should plant more and more trees in our homes, in our balconies, so that we can get fresh air and global warming can also be reduced. With this, I end my presentation. Hope you like it. Thank you.